This April 2024, Breeders of Denmark celebrated its 23rd anniversary, and we would like to say thank you to everyone who has supported us since the beginning and those who joined along the way. To our newer customers and partners who may not have had the chance to get acquainted with us, we'd like to share a bit about the Danish pig industry and our own journey. Let's go back in time and set some context. Until the 1920s, Denmark was primarily agricultural, with small-scale pig farming on family farms. By mid-century, the industry modernized with cooperatives, streamlined production and marketing. In the 80s, technological advancements boosted efficiency with climate-controlled housing and automated feeding systems, for example. Since the 90s, the industry adapted to challenges related to environmental concerns, animal welfare issues, and international competition, becoming one of the world's leading exporters of pork products, known for its high-quality pork and efficient production methods. So, who are Breeders and Danish Genetics? Let's start with Breeders, founded by Jan Lemke Jensen in 2001. Jan has worked with breeding animals since he was young, and he created Breeders when he began to sell and transport breeding pigs with genetics from Dano, a Danish pig breeding organization that has collected breeding data since 1985. In 2017, the Dano organization was composed of several breeding centers and more than 100 multiplication farms in Denmark, but the whole group was divided due to strategic decisions. Many of these companies agreed to abandon their ownership and to centralize under the same new name, but the idea was not suitable for many others who could foresee that they would lose their individual identity and autonomy. That's when Danish Genetics was created, establishing new and robust foundations with 25 partners who chose to collaborate, collectively representing 42% of the entire population of Danish breeding pigs, bringing with them a strong genetic background and 100 years of experience in the industry. The members of the newly created Danish Genetics organization work in close cooperation with each other and with the company Danish Genetics itself without giving up their freedom. And Breeders acts as the unique, reliable sales entity of the organization. With our own dedicated sales team, our management consulting department, our own closed SPF transport trucks, and a transport and project department capable of handling the wildest worldwide deliveries. The model has paid off, as today in 2024 Danish Genetics is ahead of the global competition with technological superiority, full control of the breeding program and index calculation. With in-house supercomputers and international partners, helping with enhancing the genetic progress, parentage verification and purity insurance of our animals. Huge amounts of data are collected on farm, with almost 300 electronic feeding stations, and additional projects are carried out by Danish Genetics, like individual birth weight registrations and assessment of teat functionality of the sows. Looking at statistics, Danish Genetics animals demonstrate superior results in terms of growth, feed efficiency, meat quality, and number of produced piglets per sow. However, perhaps even more crucial, statistical evidence show that our animals have the lowest sow mortality and piglet mortality rates in the global market, including Denmark, likely making our commercial sow the most sustainable sow in the world. Now you know why you should choose Breeders and Danish Genetics as your partners for profitable pig production. We hope you have learned something and that you feel like you know us a little better. Keep an eye out for our next informative videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and make sure to contact Breeders for more information.